Hello everyone. So my name is Ziaul Munim and I'm currently working at the University of Southeastern Norway. Now I'm starting a series of videos on forecasting. And in the first part of these videos I'll be talking about what is forecast and the criteria for evaluation of forecast, and then some simple forecasting models. And for these kind of models like knife forecast, moving average, or exponential smoothing, Halter winters, or regression, I'll be using Excel to show you how these models work. And we'll also learn about forecast accuracy measures. And then in the second part of the videos, we will move to more complex models with RHUB, VAR, machine learning, artificial neural network models. And for those models, I'll be using R software most of the time. So now let's move on. So what is forecasting? I was checking in the Oxford English Dictionary, and according to them, forecast means to contrive or scheme beforehand, to arrange or plan before execution, or to foreordain, to predestine. So the idea is that we want to know the future, we want to predict the future. That's what is a forecast. What will happen in the future, right? So that's what we will be doing, and we have to remember one thing, that is forecasts are always wrong. Here are some of the examples. I think there is a market for maybe 5 computers, chairman of IBM said in 1943. Now just look around how many computers we have in the world, right? And also on the computers again, so computer in the future may weigh more than 1.5 tons. And the president of DC said there is no reason anyone would want a computer in their home. So you see, like, the prediction of the future, they are likely to be always wrong. But still forecasts are very useful. At the moment they are done, if done properly, they can still provide some valuable insights. And normally in business, people who do better forecast do better in business than those who don't do it better. Shipping business, it's also the same. Ship owners or shipping lines, those who have people who can do better forecast will always do better performance compared to those who cannot do better in forecasting, because everyone can buy the same data, but who analyzes the data better, they will do better in business. And now, what is a good forecast? So here you can see a forecast, right? We have demand and we have weekly values. So the black line is the real demand and the red one is the forecast. So here we see more or less our forecast fits our demand pattern, right? So that's pretty good. But here, if we look here, you see that when we do fitting the forecast model on the data, it works fine up to week 40, but after week 40 it doesn't work fine. Here actually I would say that we are actually dividing this into 2 samples. The first part is our training sample, so we can clearly see the training sample, the forecast fits very well. But in the test sample, suddenly the forecast model doesn't work, and that's a very poor forecast. So normally if a forecast is good, it will perform good in the training sample and also in the test sample.